Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If the distance between the points 4, p and 1, 0 is 5, then the value of p is. We know distance between any two points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given as x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square and whole under root units. So here we'll simply put given values in this relation. So we are given 5 is equal to under root of 4 minus 1 whole square plus p minus 0 whole square. So that is equal to 5 equal to 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 square is 9 plus p square. In order to find this, we'll simply square both sides so that this radical sign is removed. So we get 25 equal to 9 plus p square. And now we separate p square as 25 minus 9. So we get p square equal to 60. Now in order to find value of p, we'll need to take square root on both sides. Both sides. So we get p equal to plus or minus 4. Because coordinate can have both the values, positive and negative as well. So let's see, answer is option B.